Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today we have something truly special for you, the Virgin Blue Lagoon. Let's dive into the world of flavor. I am using a hurricane glass for this recipe, but you can use any tall glass of 15 ounces capacity. I am pouring 30 milliliters or 1 ounce of lime mix. You can check the description box for the detailed recipe. Next is 30 milliliters or 1 ounce of sugar syrup. You can easily make sugar syrup at home by mixing equal parts of water and sugar. Now I will pour 15 milliliters or half an ounce of blue curacao syrup. Blue curacao is an orange-flavored liqueur, but here I am using a syrup. Now I will fill the glass with cracked ice. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Now it's time to pour lemon lime soda. For better results, always use this type of lemonade. I think you are enjoying this video. Now I will slowly stir to mix all the ingredients. Virgin Blue Lagoon is almost ready. Now it's time to garnish the mocktail. I will add an orange slice, an orange spiral, and a glacé cherry. Okay, that's great. Virgin Blue Lagoon is ready. Cheers. Hope you have enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for exciting recipes like this. Be happy and take care.